Learn with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, Z for giraffe, H for hen, I for insect, J for joker, K for kettle, L for lemon, M for mango, N for notebook, O for orange, P for pig, Q for question, R for ring, S for snack, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra.